guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing. I've only done one other unboxing on my channel and it was for a ring light. So today I'm actually doing one that I'm really excited for. My kids are really excited for this. This is an unboxing of snacks. Lots of goodies, you guys. It's Variety Fun Box. They are a snack subscription company where they put together a box full of goodies, and they have healthy snacks, not so healthy snacks, all different things. These boxes are starting off at $14.99, and then you also can get 25% off of your first box using the code FUN25. Now, I was sent this box for free. This is not sponsored. They just sent me this for me and my kiddos to try out. Tank's already dove into the box. He already ate Cheetos and Doritos out of this box. There's so many goodies in here, you guys. So I'm gonna open it up and share with you guys everything that comes in this box. Now, this was the one that is a pack of 40 different snacks, and it ranges from potato chips, cookies, Skittles, Airheads, granola bars, all different types of different snacks. And this one wasn't the healthy one. They do have the healthy alternative as well. That one costs a little bit more, but as you know, the not so good stuff is always a little bit cheaper. This box is $24.99, and you will get 40 different snack items. So altogether, you're really paying only 62 cents per snack. Stop it, Tank. And if you think about that, most of these things that are in this box, you're gonna be paying $1 or almost $2 at least. So I think this is an awesome deal. And especially if you're trying to save going to the store and always have some type of snacks on hand, this is a great service. Tank wants to open it. Okay, calm down. We're gonna open it. Here we go. So this is how it looks. Like I said, he already ate Cheetos and a bag of Doritos out of it. So what I'm showing you will be about 38 things. So they sent me this little card in here, and it says, "Hi Amber, talk about fam goals. We hope you and your little munchkins enjoy munching on these delicious snacks. Snack on, the Variety Fun Team." Okay, I have a new little person with me. Samir's gonna help. Look at him sitting in the chair like a big boy, huh? Yeah. So, back to this. I had a cranky child. I had to put Tank down for a nap, and he just woke up. But this is everything of how it came in the package. Like I said, Tank ate a bag of Doritos and a bag of Cheetos out of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that came in here. I could not believe how stuffed and how they managed to get all of the snacks in here. See all the snacks leaking? Okay, we're gonna show everybody on YouTube what we got. So the first thing that was in here was these veggie straws. My mom actually used to buy these. I haven't had these in years. This is the Zesty Rant. Excited to try that out. So that's what I like about this too, is that there's different things that I've never tried or my children have never tried. So it's a good variety of different things, and then familiar things that we're used to. And then there's these Pop Chips barbecue.
I did that.
You want to try these Pop Chips? And then some Wise honey barbecue potato chips.
I'm good.
Good old hot fries. How many of you love these? I love the cheddar fries. I'm not really a spicy eater, but Khalif loves these. Lay's barbecue chips.
I want it.
You want to eat that one? Good old Zoo animal crackers. Some Popcorners kettle corn
And I want it.
popped corn snack.
I want it.
You want to try that too? Funyuns. These were my favorite chips growing up as a kiddo. Some good old Ruffles. Lincoln, you say you want to eat everything. I know. He wants to eat everything. You want to come say hi? You have to come over here where they can see you. A pack of little Oreo cookies.
Okay.
Oh, you want to? And then some Wise Dipsy Doodle wavy corn chips. These are interesting. Excited to try these out. Never had those. Vanilla wafer mini cookies. These are by the Pure Sweetness Baking Company. Never heard of these, so excited to try those. And then this was also by that same company. These are chocolate chip mini cookies. Samir's trying to grab all the snacks. And then this was by Delman's Stroop Waffle. It's a soft toasted waffle filled with caramel, cinnamon, and real bourbon vanilla. So it's like a wafer cookie, it kind of looks like. Hey, you want some snacks? Some Ritz Bits. Keebler little M&M mini cookies. 2 different Cheez-Its. We love these. If you guys watch my grocery hauls, I'm always buying these for the kids. Another thing of Ritz Bits. This is just the peanut butter. Bag of Chex Mix. You trying to grab those? This is organic, my super cookie. These are little chocolate hero cookies. A pack of Oreos. Who loves Oreos? Who loves to dip their Oreos in milk? Can't have Oreos without milk. Exactly. Like in me. 2 Rice Krispie treats.
I want it.
2 different granola bars. So this is a chocolate chip, and then this is one of the Nature Valley granola bars.
Not so easy.
Hold on. A fruit roll up.
I want fruit
You
roll-up.
want that? An Airhead. Cowleaf is excited to snatch that up. A pack of fruit snacks. Oh my gosh, I have not had these in years. I didn't even know they still made these. These are the Mother's Circus animal cookies. I'm eating these. Then they sent 3 different Grandma's cookies. Now you guys know if you go to like the gas station or something, you're paying well over $1 for these. So these are full packs where it comes with 2 cookies in a pack. They sent chocolate chip and then chocolate brownie. And then 2 different types of crackers. This was spicy cheddar and then lemon cream. Another granola bar. Samir's trying to eat those. A pack of peanuts. And another thing of fruit snacks. That was everything, you guys. Tons of snacks. I'm really excited for this subscription. I think this is definitely a good idea. If you guys have not tried a snack subscription box, let me know in the comments. Is this something that you could see your guys' family using? You're snatching the snacks? Or would you prefer to go pay full price? I think all in all, paying about 62 cents per item, that's a darn good deal. I think this is an awesome idea for any families that are busy and just to have extra snacks on hand. So you can have it sent once a month or you can have it twice a month. So don't forget, you guys, use that code FUN25 on your first order and you will get 25% off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing all of the good snacks. Samir's ready to dive in. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.